Now waiting. Why you dey shout my name? Why you dey shout my name like that? Have you still say somebody die or I kill somebody? Why you dey shout my name like that? What's happen?
I'm sorry now.
You mean say you dey sorry now? Abi, you no get single respect again. You understand? I make you just run, they come here as if say somebody die. See, may I tell you, shebi see that respect where you don't lose. You better go back to your house. When you don't regain that respect, you come back and tell me what you want.
No verse. Let me call you that sweet name I used to call you.
Now you talk. Oh yeah, I dey listen.
Mercy the great fighter. Mercy the black beauty. Mercy the super warrior.
Oh yeah, tell me. Yarn me the story. What did they happen? Person don't die. I be person offend you. What did happen? Make you tell me, make I know. I be person won't make we go design now. What did they happen?
I see that stupid girl as I dey go to farm, standing with your man.
Chineke, what did you talk? What did you just talk? For where? Which side? Where? Which side? Which side be that? You mean say you see her standing with my man upon all the design why I don't design that girl? Upon say I don't give her warning concerning that my man. Okay. Oh, I think I need to teach her a lesson this time around.
Now waiting me, I say make I come tell you. I dey go, bye bye.
Jay, my own bomb boy. My own man. I will kill that girl today. So she don't forget say na me be Mercy, the great warrior in this village. No problem. I go see her through. Make we dey go now.